Yes. So while it's known that the Pixel Watch 1 or OG Pixel Watch is not getting Wear OS 6, it's pretty much time that I retired the Pixel Watch 1 that was gifted to me by the community. So big shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for it. But I was able to find something on a really, really good deal. And this is the Pixel Watch 3. So it's not the 4, it's not the latest one, it's last year's model. But I was able to find this for a whopping 75 bucks. Shout out to Gabby for the sale. Appreciate it. Yeah, I was really surprised too, seeing that it was for sale for 75 bucks on OfferUp. And I was just like, message the seller. And the seller was just like, they prefer Apple. So, I mean, I guess they were going to give Pixel a try, but it just really didn't adapt to it. Oh well, because I'm able to get this for 75 bucks. So everything came inside when I went to pick it up. I double checked to make sure everything turned on, took the watch out of the box and made sure that it was the Pixel Watch 3. And yeah, you got to do those things when you're buying directly from a private seller. That's just all I'm saying. But anyways, yeah, so this is the 41 millimeter size, so this is not the popular 45. I don't really need people to be too concerned about what type of watch I'm wearing on my wrist. Plus, two, all my like all my watch straps will fit because it's the same size as the OG Pixel watch. So the watch band that I like that was gifted to me from Google, the orange colored sports band, it fits. It's exactly what I'm going to use, which is why the Pixel Watch doesn't have a strap on it. I actually took it off of there because I am going to put it on my Pixel Watch 3. And, with the Snapdragon W5, processor, obviously the battery on the Pixel Watch 3 is a little bit better, especially with always on display. And, it's got a little bit more features and capabilities than the Pixel Watch 1. Is why I'm really happy in upgrading to the Pixel Watch 3. Now, on top of that, does it mean that the Pixel Watch 1 is super obsolete? No. I could get by with it if I really wanted to, but I do want to check out Wear OS 6 and make some videos on that. And so the opportunity came up. Most of the Pixel Watch 3s or 4s that I found, or even Pixel Watch 2s, were like, going on sale for, I would say, anywhere between 200 to 320 bucks. So finding the Pixel Watch 3 at $75, again, is a steal. I would rather get things at a deal. And here's the other big bonus. The protective watch case that I used on my Pixel Watch 1 fits on my Pixel Watch 3. So there it is, protecting my screen, protecting the body. One big noticeable thing I noticed is that the Pixel Watch 3 is lighter than the Pixel Watch 1. But, you guys will hear all about that in my full review of the watch after I use it for a couple days and just get a feel for it. I'll give you guys a review and a comparison to the OG Pixel Watch. So stay tuned for that video. But yeah, thanks for checking this one out. Smash the like button and hype the video up. I would truly appreciate it. Till next time.